Hey guys, today's video is all about the Mi Sport Bluetooth earphones. This is my first time doing a video on earphones, so do take it easy on me. If you haven't checked out the unboxing video, I will link it right on the icon above. So let's get right into it. Let's start with the design. Honestly, there's nothing special if you put it in that way. If you do put both sides of the earphone together, it will form a love-shaped design, which is a nice small touch to it. I'm fine with it, but I'm not really bothered about it, but yeah. On the right side of the earphone is the volume control and the charging port. And down along the line is the power control and the microphone. And the left side, well, there's nothing on the left side, it's just the earphone. There's two colors available, which is the whitish silver, and this one is more the blackish gray. I think there's like a proper name for the color, but well, yeah. Honestly, for the price given on this earphone, it's pretty much great. It's more like an all-rounder package. The sound is amazing and it fits right into your ears, and you don't have to worry about it falling off. Noise cancellation works amazing.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Battery life is great. It can last me the entire day depending on your usage. Like, I do turn it on and off often, so I can get through the entire day with half the battery left. And it can connect two devices at once, which is great. The downside of this earphone is the Bluetooth connection, where it actually annoys the hell out of me. Even when you put your phone in your pocket, it still gets interrupted. So I have to constantly hold my phone. The microphone on this device actually is quite soft. Actually, it's very soft that most people can't really hear what I'm saying over the phone. So this is another downside of it. Overall, this earphone sounds great. It works well as an earphone for you to listen to music or watch a movie with, but not for calling. And yeah, and if you can get through the entire day with the connection issues, I guess pretty much so. I even used this for a month or two, which is pretty great. Honestly speaking, sound qualities, everything, bass are all great. It's just the connections. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and do hit the notification bell button as well so you get notified every single time I upload. This is Mark here, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!